Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie rolls. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, peel and dice 2 large apples into small, uniform pieces. In a bowl, combine the diced apples with 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This mixture will be the delicious filling for your rolls. Ensure everything is well mixed for even flavor distribution. Now, let's assemble these delightful treats. Unroll your thawed puff pastry sheet onto a lightly floured surface. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, divide the pastry into 8 equal strips, each approximately 1½ inches wide. Take a small spoonful of your apple filling and place it near one end of each pastry strip. Don't overfill, or they might burst during baking. Time to roll and bake. Carefully roll each pastry strip from the filled end, creating a neat spiral. Ensure the edges are sealed to prevent the filling from escaping. Arrange the rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For a beautiful golden brown crust, brush the tops of each roll with an egg wash. Bake them in your preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked to a perfect golden brown, remove your apple pie rolls from the oven. Let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes. They are quite hot inside. For an extra special treat, dust them generously with powdered sugar before serving. These warm, sweet rolls are perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade apple pie rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.